Hi, Kylie. I thought your presentation was very good. You explained the cycle very well. Um, I really don't have anything to comment on that's derogatory about your poster. Your poster was very well done. I just have a few things just a few additions to the poster in general, just not necessarily yours, but just everybody's poster, I guess. Um, the product of carbohydrate catabolism, glycolysis, which is pyruvate, can be used as a material for synthesis of certain amino acids, such as glycine, alanine, serine, and cysteine, through the process known as transamination, wherein the amino group is being transferred to the pyruvate to produce specific amino acids. Apart from pyruvate, molecules involved in the Krebs cycle, another carbohydrate catabolism pathway, such as oxalate, can be used in the synthesis of amino acids such as asparagine through the action of aminotransferases. And then the pentose pathway is an anabolic pathway for carbohydrates wherein ribose 5-phosphate is produced through the process. The ribose 5-phosphate is the precursor for nucleic acid biosynthesis, in which it serves as the sugar derivative of the nucleotide. The NADPH, which is also produced in pentose phosphate pathway, is also being used in the redox reaction in nucleotide biosynthesis. I hope you have enjoyed this class because I have learned a lot. Thanks.